Hey friends, 4th of July is in 1 week and I have a quick and easy little project to add to my Patriotic displays around the house. So I found this cute little wooden tray in the Target Bullseye section, of course, and then I have a leftover house that I used in my Patriotic tiered tray project. If you haven't seen that, I will link it below. But I had one of these little houses left, so I'm just going to paint it blue. I did give it a light sanding before I painted it, just so that it helps the paint to adhere to the surface. I did give that a couple coats of blue paint, and I made sure that it was absolutely dry before I started chalking. You also see that cute little white star there. I had that left over from my tiered tray project as well. So I'm going to add these fun fireworks. This is from the vintage truck add-on. And then I wasn't sure what colors I was going to add, and then I ended up doing red and shimmer gold. And one side note, I will tell you, I forgot to wax my surface before I started. I should have waxed it since I painted it. I actually painted this house in one sitting, and then I set the project aside and had other things going on, and then came back to this project. So my mistake, but I always say my mistakes are a learning for you. So make sure if you're painting a surface that you do give it a quick wax, and you'll see right there, you can kind of see where the transfer pulled up the paint a little bit right there, but you really can't tell, and it worked all good. I was able to wash that off my transfer, so it's all good. So I have this cute little white star, again, left over from my tiered tray project, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one that I did with the last one. I'm going to grab that little star transfer that I had from a retired set, and I'm just going to add some shimmer gold right to the center of that star, and that's all I'm going to do. You'll notice I forgot to mention that cute little candle that's in that tray as well. That was in the Target Bullseye section as well, little citronella candle. And once I get done with that and burn that down, I think I'm going to add maybe a fall scented candle in there and use it at Christmas time. So I'm going to get double use out of some of these. But now to add to my tray, I'm just going to add a little beaded tassel. So I'm just grabbing my twine, and I'm going to grab some red and blue, and I think silver, because I didn't have any gold beads. And then I'm just going to make a cute little tassel bead to go on my tray. And there you have it, a quick and easy Patriotic tray using some items I found in the Target Bullseye section. Hope you like this video. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.